Hello everyone. Today in this chapter we are going to study about neutralization in everyday life. Children, we have studied about neutralization. Neutralization means when acid reacts with base, it balances the properties of the base. So here it's a reaction in which acid reacts with a base to form salt and water. Now, how this reaction is useful in everyday life, let us see one by one. First of all, treating insect sting. You must have also experienced sometimes a honeybee stings us or any other insect like those yellow wasp and all this sting, and they inject a very acidic and liquid which causes a burning sensation in our skin, causes swelling on our skin, right? So, elders, they advise us to rub iron, rusted iron on it. Now, there is a scientific reason behind it. Rusted iron contains iron oxide, hydrated iron oxide, which is a weak base, right? So, here it can be treated by that rusted iron, or it can be treated by calamine lotion. Calamine lotion contains zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate is also weak base. So that insect sting, when the insect stings, it injects an acid in our body. So when we apply this calamine lotion, the acid is neutralized and we feel relief. Second is in the soil treatment. Earlier also I think we have discussed this topic when we were studying about the uses of bases. Soil, when it becomes acidic, it does not remain very fertile. Neutral soils are good for the crops, right? So, we have to make that soil neutral. Now, how we will make that acidic soil neutral? By adding base. So, base like quicklime. Quicklime is calcium oxide or CaO. It's a white powder. In Hindi, we call it chuna, right? Slated lime, calcium hydroxide, or even chalk can be added. Chalk, you have all seen chalk. It is calcium carbonate and it is also weak base and it neutralizes the acidity of the soil and makes it good for the crops. Third is by treating indigestion or acidity. Now let me show you something. This is a medicine containing milk of magnesia, right? Milk of magnesia is a weak base. Now, when do we suffer from acidity and why? Our stomach releases dilute hydrochloric acid for the purpose of digestion. But when we eat spicy food or we skip meals, we do not eat for some 1 or 2 days, that time the stomach is releasing hydrochloric acid. Now this hydrochloric acid, it becomes excess in our body. You feel that sour taste coming in your mouth. So this milk of magnesia, or in common language people also call it Digen or something, right? And it neutralizes this acid. And lastly, treating factory waste. Most of the factory waste contains acid. Right? Now this acid is harmful for the aquatic animals. If this waste is discharged into the rivers or just thrown away in water bodies, this acidic waste will be very harmful for the aquatic organisms like fish. So, before throwing this factory waste in the river or any other water body, it is treated with slated lime, which again is a weak base. So these are some of the common uses of neutralization in our daily life. I hope this video will help you to understand the topic. In the next topic, we will study about properties of salt. In the next video, I am going to discuss about the properties of the salts and the uses of the salts. Till then, have a nice day.